Hi everybody, it's Artist King. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a pour painting, which turned out to be an epic fail. I tried to do it with the marbles, but I am not sure what happened, but it just didn't come out the way I thought it would. But I mean, it came out pretty good, but I don't know, maybe I was expecting something more with the marbles. So anyway, I'm just preparing the canvas right here. I put Floetrol on it and spread it evenly. And then the paint that I have in the cups, I mixed with water and Floetrol. But somehow I believed I might have put too much water in there. So anyway, I tried it with the marbles. But I'm not sure, maybe I didn't really know exactly what I'm doing, so that's why I said it was an epic fail. But anyway, you can try it. Use marbles, use a bigger canvas, whatever you think. Use different colors, as long as you do something to be creative, as long as you do something that will get you one step further to being the artist that I know you can be. So anyway, I'm gonna let you enjoy this video. So just remember, check me out Tuesdays and Saturdays. And for those of you who keep watching my videos, thank you so much. My new subscribers, the people who just glance and come back every now and then, thank you. I hope that you will eventually subscribe to my channel, that you would like the video, share the video, and that you would just keep coming back. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Enjoy this video, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye now.
I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. I think it's crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slow.